Okay everyone, did you know that AMD Ryzen 6000 CPUs have taken the market by storm, becoming one of the most popular choices for gamers and creators alike? But with so many motherboards out there, how do you choose the right one? Let's dive into the top 5 motherboards for these powerful CPUs in 2024. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for anyone looking to build or upgrade their PC. Choosing the right motherboard for your AMD Ryzen 6000 CPU can make or break your system's performance. So, let's focus on the top 5 motherboards in 2024 that will help you unlock the full potential of your Ryzen 6000. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, let's get real for a second. Choosing a motherboard isn't just about picking the one that looks cool. There are some serious challenges that come into play. First off, you gotta think about compatibility. Not all motherboards support the Ryzen 6000 series, so you need to be sure yours does. Then there's performance. You want a board that can keep up with your CPU and not hold it back. And let's not forget features. Things like PCIe slots, RAM compatibility, and onboard audio can really enhance your Ryzen experience. All of this can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you covered with my top picks. Exploration/development. Okay, let's dive into the meat of the video. First up, we have the Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Hero. This baby is packed with features like robust power delivery and top-notch cooling options, ensuring your Ryzen 6000 runs smoothly even under heavy loads. It also supports overclocking, which is a huge plus for performance enthusiasts. Next on our list is the MSI MPG B550 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. This motherboard is perfect for gamers on a budget, offering great performance without breaking the bank. With built-in Wi-Fi and impressive audio capabilities, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to build a gaming rig. In third place, we have the Gigabyte Aorus X570 Elite. This one really shines with its advanced thermal design and premium build quality. It also offers a ton of connectivity options, making it a great choice for users who want to connect multiple devices and peripherals. Fourth on our list is the ASRock B550 Taichi. This motherboard is known for its stunning design and exceptional performance. With its solid power phases and great VRM cooling, you can easily push your CPU to its limits without any worries. Last but definitely not least, we have the MSI Mag B550M Mortar Wi-Fi. This micro ATX motherboard is compact but packs a punch. It features a great VRM setup and multiple M.2 slots for fast storage, perfect for those looking to save space without sacrificing performance. Climax/key moment now. Let's talk about the standout motherboard from our list, the Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Hero. Why is it the best choice for your Ryzen 6000 CPU? Well, it's all about performance and value. This motherboard offers an excellent balance of features, robust build quality, and support for high-speed RAM and storage. If you want the best performance out of your Ryzen 6000, this is the one to go for. You won't regret it. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, we've covered the top 5 motherboards for AMD Ryzen 6000 CPUs in 2024. Each of these boards has its unique strengths, whether it's cutting-edge features, budget friendliness, or exceptional performance. Remember, choosing the right motherboard is crucial to optimizing your Ryzen experience, so pick wisely. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you used any of these motherboards? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're ready for more, check out my other video on building the ultimate Ryzen 6000 setup or some cool upgrade tips. Thanks for watching and happy building!